Why does a ball fall to the ground when we throw it in the air? The answer lies in a concept called gravity. The Earth's gravity is an invisible force that pulls objects towards the center of the Earth. When you throw a ball up in the air, the force of gravity pulls it down towards the Earth, and it falls to the ground. Did you know that physicists consider it to be one of the fundamental forces that govern the universe? If we didn't have gravity, can you guess what would happen? We'd probably fly off the Earth. Sir Isaac Newton was the first person to mathematically describe gravity. So next time you see something is falling to the ground, now you know it's gravity pulling it down. Hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos like this.